Hi everyone, I'm back with another niche research video. Father's Day is just around the corner and the searches are ramping up. So I thought now is the best time to share my top 5 Father's Day niches with you guys. The main goal of today's video is to give you some ideas and spark your creativity. So some of the niches might not sound right for you, and that's okay. The goal here is to make you think outside the box and encourage you to search for more creative niches. No matter which niche you choose, just roll up your sleeves and start today. Father's Day is on June 19th and you have enough time to create and design your book and run some ads to make the best of this day. Okay, let's start. Our first niche is Dad Prompt Book. Journaling can be a great way for children to both practice writing and also record the memories that mean a lot to them. Nothing is more special than looking through a journal from the past, and that's exactly what makes Dad Prompt Books a great gift for Father's Day. Let's take a look at this sample book. As you can see, it has a very fun layout with great ideas to encourage kids to write and draw their best memories of their dad. If you think this is a bit complicated, you can take a more simple approach like this book, which is simply a statement accompanied with a cute illustration, and as you can see, both books has great reviews. Next niche is the Dad Project Book. If you have experience working with kids and know what type of tools and projects are suitable for them, you can select a couple of projects and take pictures of the steps and explain the process in a way that is appropriate for kids and make it that project book. Of course, this is just an oversimplification of what this book is about. But again, I'm just trying to give you some ideas. There are different types of these books like DIY projects or science experience. Just take your pick. These types of books encourage kids and dads to spend some quality time and bond with each other, so again, it's a unique Father's Day gift. Our next niche is a grief journal. So this niche is not particularly marketing to dads, but for anyone who's dealing with the death of a loved one. Losing your dad is one of the biggest challenges one can face in life, whether it was unexpected or you've known about it for a long time. Grief affects everyone in different ways. So a grief journal is a way to work through these emotions with the help of self-reflection. It's a journal where you're free to write whatever makes you feel better. You can share memories, feelings, angers, or just daily ramblings. Here are a few samples of grief journals. As you can see, most of them have a dark cover with decorative titles and hearts. The next type of book I found for Father's Day is a joke book. I know it's hard to believe, but joke books are selling pretty well during these days and holidays. Now, I looked inside a couple of them, and some of them have some sort of design and image to fill out the space on each page. But in a book like this one that has around 500 jokes, they squeeze as much text as possible on each page to reduce the number of pages and the printing cost. And there is no image or graphic. So based on how many jokes you have, you can decide if you need any graphics or not. If you decide you need any graphic, you can use websites like Creative Fabrica or hire someone on Fiverr to create them for you. I will leave the link down below. All in all, joke books are easy to create and dads love to use them. So this makes a good gift for dad's special day. For our next niche, we have Father's Guided Journal. A guided journal simply is a list of questions that will help you know your dad better and listen to their story and get to know them better. For our sample, I chose this one. As you can see, it is targeted towards dads and has a very simple cover. Let's also take a look inside the book. So we have a couple of sweet quotes, and then on every page we have a quote on top and one or more questions on the body and enough space to answer each of them. And this book also includes a family tree at the end, which I think is a very nice addition to the book. This is again a type of the book that you give to your dad, but it's actually a suggestion to spend more time with them, and that's what makes it a special gift for fathers. By the way, you can find the keyword list of most of the niches I mentioned in this video on my Gumroad shop. Make sure to check them out and subscribe to the channel, which will help me to continue making videos like this for you.